What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DVA Creations with another video. Before we begin this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, it's the boy Dust, you feel me? Otherwise known as DVA Creations. Whatever you want to call me, you feel me? But today, we're going to be doing some things. As you can see, I got the drilling on me. Battery ain't there, but it's charging. That ain't the battery. Right here. Shout out to the babes, you feel me, for giving me this. Craftsman, baby. Anyways, what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be installing the $100, is it a 3-inch? I think it's about a 3-inch or 4-inch Cowl hood that I had for my '06 Mustang. And what we're doing right now, you come on and check. We're looking at an install on somebody else's on their channel, and I mean, it's not that, you know, I wouldn't say I wouldn't know how to do it. It's just I just want to see how it looks on here, so I'm just kind of looking through that real quick. Of course, I'm gonna try and get Trent to help me. By the way, Trent is recording. You know what? Hold on. My camera kind of dirty. Oh, you looking good now. All right, but the reason why I'm looking this up is because this dude did install hood pins, and I don't want to install hood pins on my Cowl hood if they have a spot where I can put the old hood latch mechanism thingy to go in the hood. You feel me? So I was always confused. Why did they come with well, when I bought the car, no, what am I talking about? When I bought the Cowl hood, it came with hood pins. So off dome, I'm like, dang, I gotta install hood pins. So I got one of these, and my girl just helped me get one of these. I don't need none of that, but I'm still use this for work, so it don't even matter. But I was gonna show you guys that I painted the Cowl hood, but just hurried up and did it myself. And if you guys want to know how to paint, bro, I can probably show you a different video. I did it with like straight rattle cans, and honestly, the hood looks like, what the hood look like to you?
Sick.
Hey, get your hand off the volume thing, man. They can't hear me.
They can hear you.
Bro, your hand too close. No, you got to do like this. Yeah. All right, but you can pause the video.
This kid all be eating me. Oh God.
What you said?
Kiddo.
I think you said you're gonna hold this camera for me while you record. Now,
no, I didn't.
Alright guys, so what we're doing right now, we're gonna check out the hood. I need to speak in a lower tone so my son can sleep, because my girl's in the room trying to put him to sleep. And we don't want to interrupt that, you feel me? If anybody else have kids and their woman's trying to put the kid to sleep, that's all I gotta say. Alright guys, plot twist. The whole reason why we was being quiet, we're gonna steal my Mustang. Nah, that really makes sense. We're taking off. So these right here was the hood pins. Well, they are the hood pins, and that's what I was gonna install. I took out these little bumper stoppers right here, so mosquitoes out here in Louisiana, man. But took these out so I could drill through those, and I'll just, you know, put it like that. But instead, I'm not doing none of that. Like I said, I kind of just figured out that I don't need that. Hopefully I don't need it. Because if I go down the road and I don't have these hood pins, and this little thing kind of, you know, comes off for some odd reason, because it's a fiberglass hood, and I break my windshield because of this hood flying back, I'm not going to be a happy camper. But first thing we're gonna do is take this off. I lie. Gonna show you the hood first.
Dirty.
Yo, I don't remember locking this. Luckily, I got the jingles. All right, so like I said, I'm just gonna show you guys the hood. Me and my sister, we're gonna take the hood carefully and place it somewhere over there. Then after we do that, well, I can't really record everything, you feel me? Because it's 2 people and somebody got to do recording. And I'm not set up for all that. I don't have none of those things. Whatever. All right. So this aside. And show them the hood. Trini hood right here. You guys already seen it before. Well, I painted it, as you can see, black markings around it. But yeah. Took me about a couple hours, maybe 1. I lie, I'm capping. About 2 hours maybe. That's with the clear coat and all. I haven't wet sanded it and buffed it yet. This is actually, you know, after the clear coat has dried, so it's still got a little bit of orange peel effect. But overall, it came out good. Let's see that real quick. Yeah, yeah, all that. Yeah. All right, so we got the toolies on us. Like I said, we're gonna end up taking off that the little hood bar thingy. I wonder if I actually have a spot for the hood prop on that hood. I'm gonna take this off, and then you can either stop recording. So I'm gonna take these off, and I'm gonna take that one off on that side. But before I take that one off on that side, you're gonna come on this side and hold this, like right here. You follow me?
I follow.
Yeah, good. So yeah, let's go over and do that. Now you came closer. And that was simple, just 2 little bolties. And I'm gonna start unscrewing those 2. And hold on, there's 1 more screw to get to. Actually, it's not even a screw. Oh dang, I forgot. How in the heck I'm gonna use my washer fluids now? Well, it's a good thing I don't use them like that, but god dog. It's like I ain't gonna have washer fluids no more. You can cut it.
I'm recording.
Are you recording? Alright, so hold on, man. The video quality ain't right. We need it on at 60. Alright, now we're working with something. Got the hood off. I'm definitely gonna need this right here, or in the way at least. But let's go get the other hood. What the hood is gonna look like on there. Don't look too shabby. It's gonna be different, but let's not forget, I'm gonna have a spoiler for that too, so it's gonna be on another video. But I need to hurry up and take these out the way. Then I'm gonna have to get Trent to hold this up whenever I'm done to do some other stuff. Let me just hurry up and put this on real quick. All right, peeps, the hood is installed, and man, I can't see it too good. Step back. Ooh. Overall, I think it looks good on the car. Looks real aggressive now, and that's what I wanted. The only problem is I really need to install the hood pins on it, because this side of the hood doesn't want to go down all the way for some odd reason. See, like right here. But on this side, it's like nothing. You know what? Let me get some light. All right, like I said, like this side is, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's really nothing. But this, what the hood looks like on here, like I said, I don't know about you guys, but I really like it. Really, really like it. I had problems trying to mount the hood as well, but overall, the hood is on here, and I'm satisfied. I'll be putting these on sometime a couple days from now, but look at that. Dang. Yeah, that's different. Alright, so guys, this is gonna be it, man. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. When's the next time, you know what I'm saying? If you're really interested in seeing the Roush spoiler going on there. And if you're not, I'm probably still posting the video anyways. Stay tuned.